Is your bathroom a mistake? Find out what to avoid next. Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. This video is all about bathroom layout mistakes. Bathrooms are always a bit of a challenge because every inch matters. So many items need to come together, and yes, in some cases, all the stars have to align to get that perfect bathroom. Some of these things will be things that you should avoid if you're starting from scratch. Maybe you're about to take on a major renovation and even the location of the bathroom is up in the air. Well, this is a great video for you. But even if you're taking on just a bathroom renovation, this video will give you some great tips as well. Avoid key mistakes and your bathroom will be so much better for it. Also, if you're interested in learning about the latest bathroom trends, I've got a great video. I'll link it below. I'm sure you'll find some great inspiration on what your bathroom could look like after you've figured out your bathroom layout without mistakes. So let's get right into it. Some of you won't be able to fix this problem because it's all about the location of the bathroom. One of the biggest mistakes that I see in home floor plans is having a bathroom that opens up into your home's public spaces. Imagine being in your living room or your kitchen and then all of a sudden you can see into your bathroom. Or even worse, you can see your toilet. No one needs to see that. No one needs to know. No one needs to know. That might be my first TikTok. I don't care how beautiful your bathroom is, it really shouldn't be seen from your dining room, your living room, and especially your kitchen. Oh, the smells and the sounds, need I go on? If you are fortunate enough to be renovating your home, please avoid having your bathroom open up into these public spaces. Bathrooms and powder rooms should be down the hall somewhere. Or even if they share a wall into those public spaces, maybe you can locate the entrance into the bathroom on the opposite side. If your bathroom is attached to your bedroom, then that's more acceptable. But again, keep your sight lines into the bathroom so that you avoid seeing the toilet in full view. If you can. I'm not a miracle worker, I can't create space where there is none, but I know that the first thing I don't want to see when I come into a bathroom is the toilet. So whenever I'm space planning a home and any bathroom, that's the first thing I tackle. How do I walk into this bathroom and how can I hide the toilet? There are so many other beautiful aspects of bathrooms that are so much more pleasing. And yes, even if it's the most beautiful toilet, it's still a toilet. Instead, look for ways to create what's known as a water closet, where the toilet is in a separate room within the bathroom. It's very chic. Or if space is the issue, it almost always is, look for ways to incorporate a divider in the form of a wall or frosted glass to provide that little extra layer of visual privacy. Sometimes, depending on how you walk into your bathroom, you can tuck the toilet on one side of the vanity like this. Or locating the toilet behind the door is great too. That's why I say it's not just about the toilet. How you enter into your bathroom is key. In some cases, you can relocate the door into the bathroom more easily than relocating your toilet. So it could be that the door is the problem and not the toilet. Just keep both in mind. Bathrooms tend to have lots of moisture issues and can easily become damp and dark, especially if you don't have windows or natural light. Windows automatically create brighter, more welcoming spaces. So if you can locate your bathroom on an exterior wall, then you'll definitely want to incorporate a window. With all the hard materials from your plumbing fixtures, mirrors, glass, and tile surfaces, adding a window into the mix will give your bathroom a much needed visual break to a more natural environment, literally. Windows also provide you with the opportunities for window coverings, which can add texture, color, pattern, and even softness to all those hard surfaces. And of course, air circulation is super important in bathrooms, so opening a window is always helpful, as well as having a fan incorporated into the room. If a window is not possible, installing an operable skylight can allow for fresh air and natural light to make the space feel more comfortable. Another mistake when it comes to bathroom layouts is the freestanding tub, and more specifically, shoving them into a space that is too small and too tight. Freestanding bathtubs are very popular. I won't even call it a trend because trends come and go, and I don't see this popular aspect of bathrooms going anywhere soon. But I have to say that if you're wanting a freestanding tub in your bathroom, you need space. More space than you think. They look great, yes, but practically speaking, you need more space around the freestanding bathtub in order to keep the floor around it clean. How will you ever keep that space clean between the wall and the ends of the tub? This tub might have been better located had it been turned 90 degrees. A rule of thumb that works well in most situations is that you need 8 inches of space between the tub and the wall and at least 12 inches of space at either end of the tub. So for a 60-inch tub, you actually need 84 inches of space in length. Let me say this again. A 5-foot tub will need 7 feet of space lengthwise, practically speaking, of course. Not only will it be easier to get in and around to clean the floors and walls, but it will also make your bathroom look and feel more spacious. There's nothing worse than feeling like your beautiful freestanding bathtub has been shoehorned into your small bathroom. In some cases, you'll have a better bathroom layout and more bathing space by having a regular inset bathtub. So if you've got the room, then there's nothing more luxurious than a freestanding tub. But just make sure you've got that extra room. You'll be much happier with your beautiful freestanding bathtub and your bathroom overall. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that like button, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more. I've got lots of bathroom design videos on my channel, so I'll link them all in the description below. Or maybe you need more personalized help from me. You can find me on Patreon. Head over to patreon.com/designchickee and stay tuned until the end of this video for more information. The next important layout tip to consider is what's known as universal design. And the mistake is believing this type of design is just for people with disabilities. Universal design is the design and composition of a space that can be accessed, understood, and used by the greatest extent possible by all people regardless of their age, size, ability, or disability. So basically, we can all benefit from universal design techniques, especially in a bathroom. One of the key features of today's bathroom is having a seamless experience. A curb-less shower is the #1 thing you should consider for your bathroom, after figuring out where to put the toilet, of course. Not only does this make your bathroom feel larger and more open, it also makes it easier to keep clean and makes it easier to just walk right into your shower. No more tripping hazards, and perfect for aging in place design. It's the best barrier-free experience. Other useful universal design elements to include in your bathroom layout can be something like installing a bench seat in the shower, installing a comfort height toilet, installing slip-resistant tile flooring, installing single lever faucets, and the list goes on. This should be its own full video. If you're interested in universal design and would like a full video about this important topic, let me know in the comments below. Just leave a great big yes and I'll get working on it. There's so much stuff that's needed in a bathroom outside of your plumbing fixtures, and that means not having enough storage can be a huge mistake in your bathroom. So much of what is stored can look like clutter, so it's important to have places where you can put all those bottles and containers away. Not to mention you'll want backup supply of toilet paper and toiletries as well. And towels, you'll need storage for that too. So vanity storage is usually not enough. Consider additional storage. Medicine cabinets are great because they offer up valuable vertical storage behind your mirror. Incorporating open storage near the tub or shower with built-ins like this, not only does it give you storage space, it looks great too. Remember to incorporate wall niches for easy access to shampoo and conditioner bottles inside the shower or easily accessible from the bathtub. Bad lighting is bad in any space, but bad lighting in a bathroom is especially awful. And most likely, bad lighting is also insufficient lighting. Always remember that general lighting is usually lighting located in the ceiling and it shines down into the space. Pot lights can do a great job in this respect, but they can also make a space feel too sterile. Consider ceiling lights that add character as well as general lighting. These are great fixtures that can add so much to the ambiance in the room. And then add additional lighting. You absolutely need lighting at your vanity. The best lighting for grooming and makeup application are wall sconces on either side of the mirror. The light will flood your face and counteract lighting from above that can create shadows on your face. Lighting in your shower should be a must as well. Make sure it's specifically made for wet areas. Also, you can add concealed LED strips as well. This provides soft accent lighting. And finally, bathroom accessories like towel bars and toilet paper holders are almost as important as where that toilet ends up. I said almost. You may think that not taking into account accessories isn't a big mistake, but these accessories really do make your bathroom more functional. There's nothing worse than getting out of the shower and not having a towel within arm's reach. Always consider where you'll keep your current towels, hand towels, as well as larger bath towels. Sometimes wall hooks can be your saving grace as they take up less room on the wall. Bathrooms need other things like soap dishes and waste paper baskets. All these accessories take up space, so make sure you think of them early on in the process. Your bathroom layout will benefit and so will you. So here's your takeaway. Bathroom design is all about function and aesthetics. It's probably one of the most used rooms in your home, so a well-designed bathroom deserves time and particular attention. Planning its location is key to avoid opening into public spaces and the dreaded toilet sightline. A window and access to air circulation is great, and maybe even more important than cramming a freestanding tub into the space. Take time to plan for lots of storage, lots of lighting, and all your accessories. Wrap it all up with some universal design principles and you'll have a bathroom layout to rave about, mistake-free. Below, I'll link all my previous bathroom videos, including the very popular bathroom trends video. With all this key information at hand, I think you'll create a beautiful bathroom for your home. You can support this channel through Patreon. I've got lots of tiers, including one where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. My patrons and I have tackled so many projects in the last few months, including several bathroom remodels. So if you need some personalized help from me, check out my Patreon page. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.